I'm Anthony Cirone from Li-Lac Chocolates, and I've been working at Grand Central for the last 7 years. The history, the building itself, it's just an amazing place in the city. It's a very special place. Valentine's Day is one of the craziest days for us in Grand Central Market. It's the single busiest day of the year for us, but trying to operate that day in the tight market is really crazy. We have a line that starts at 7 a.m. and it goes past our shop, past Oren's, down to the next business, probably 100 customers deep, and that line continues for the whole day until we close at 9 o'clock at night. I love the new Pescatori sushi place. That's probably become my new favorite place to grab a quick bite. Grand Central is timeless.